Understanding flat out, a handy phrase in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, flat out. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, so we're going to break it down and explain how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. First, let's explore what flat out actually means. This phrase can be used in a couple of different ways. The most common usage is to describe doing something with maximum effort or at full speed. For example, if someone says, "I was working flat out to meet the deadline," it means they were working as hard as possible. Another way it's used is to emphasize the truthfulness or certainty of a statement. When someone says, "I'm flat out tired," they really mean they are extremely tired. To help you understand better, let's look at some sentences. 1. Max effort. She ran flat out to catch the bus. Here, it means running as fast as possible. 2. Truthfulness. I am flat out convinced that this is the best method. This shows strong conviction or certainty. It's important to note the context when using flat out. Avoid using it in formal writing or in a formal context, as it's more of a colloquial expression. Also, don't confuse it with similar sounding phrases like flat rate or flat tire, which have completely different meanings. In English, several phrases convey a similar sense. For example, going full throttle, giving it one's all, pulling out all the stops. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express the idea of doing something with utmost effort or certainty in different ways. And that's flat out for you. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using flat out in your next English conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.